We will now be demonstrating quad sets or knee presses. Lie on your back in bed with both legs fully extended straight and supported in bed. Tighten the muscles on top of your leg while pushing your knee down into the bed. This will strengthen your thigh muscle. You will note the kneecap move upwards with this movement. If you put a towel under your heel, this will enhance the stretch on the back of your knee to assist with improving your range of motion. Hold for 5 seconds. Make sure you are continuing to breathe in and out while you are holding this position for 5 seconds. Then relax your thigh muscle. You may slightly bend your knee back into a comfortable position during your brief rest break. Remember to perform 10 repetitions of each exercise 2 times a day.